Unfortunately, it doesn't take long, and we human beings forget that God created us as social creatures, and we must relate harmoniously with three major things in the universe. The first is our God. God created us to have a perfect, intimate relationship with Him because He is the source of our existence. Without Him, you and I can do absolutely nothing. But with God on our side, all things are possible. You see, the moon connects to the sun in order to be functional. The fish stays in water in order to remain relevant and active in life. And of course, the plant is connected to the soil if it's going to bear fruit, flourish, and blossom. In the same way, God designed the human being to dwell in Him as His source of existence. No wonder the scripture says that in Him we live, move, and have our being. So we first relate to God vertically before we come to relate to the earth, humans, and the earth itself horizontally. So, having built a solid relationship with God, you worship God in spirit and in truth. You fear God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, and with everything that is inside you. Then, of course, you have to also relate to your fellow human being. There are about 5 races of human beings, and your life should connect to each and every one of the human race, whether the individual is a Caucasian or Caucasian, a Negroid, a red Indian, of course, a yellowish Asian, or a mixed race. You should be able to make absolute friendship with all the human races in order to live a better life on earth. Don't forget that as you relate with God, that will help you to relate with mankind also very well. And then you're supposed to relate with your environment. Originally, God created us to be connected to Him, connected with humans, then connected to our environment. We're supposed to dress and keep our environment and make it livable, tidy, nicely, perfect, so that we can have a better and perfect life on earth. And so, if there is anything you're going to forget, don't forget you are a social creature, and you relate with God, you relate with man, and you relate with the earth. I will come again and share some thoughts with your relationship with man. It's very important that if you can't relate with man, you see, I wonder how best you relate with God, you don't see. And so the expression of your better relationship with the Father in heaven is seen in your relationship with your fellow human being on earth. You should be able to relate to all classes of human beings, blacks, white, female, male, and every one of us, because we are relevant to you in life. I look forward to seeing you again in my next broadcast. My name is Opon Amwabing.